Who's in the shed? Who's in the shed? Who do you think's in the shed? Who's in the Shed by Brenda Parks, illustrated by Esther Caspu. Down at the farm, one Saturday night, the animals woke with a terrible fright. There was howling, howl, and growling, arr, and roaring, roar, and clawing, as something was led from a truck to the shed. Who's in the shed? Everyone said. Who's in the shed? Let me have a peep, bawed the big white sheep. Let me have a peep. So the sheep had a peep through a hole in the shed. What did she see? Oh, right here. My turn now, mooed the sleek brown cow. My turn now. So the cow had a peep through a hole in the shed. What did she see? Oh, there's the eyes. And now look, she sees a big tooth. Let me see in there, neighed the old gray mare. Let me see in there. So the mare had a peep through a hole in the shed. What did she see? Uh-oh. There's the teeth that the cow saw, an eye that the sheep saw, and now the horse saw another eye. What is it then? Clucked the little red hen. What is it then? So the hen had a peep through a hole in the shed. What did she see? Uh-oh. There's the tooth, the two eyes, and the hen saw what? Oh, it looks like maybe more teeth. It's something big, grunted the fat pink pig. It's something big. So the pig had a peep through a hole in the shed. What does she see? Oh, right there. I don't know. How dare you stare? How dare you stare? Roared the circus bear. And everyone ran away from there. So, boys and girls, what happened in the story? Well, this page right here is showing us the sheep saw an eye. The cow saw some teeth. The horse saw the other eye. The hen saw some more teeth. And the pig saw more teeth. And what was inside the shed? A big circus bear. The end.